All right, everybody, how's it going? I just pulled up and there was this manifest idling on track 2. He's got an advanced approach aspect. He's good to head east. I'm pretty sure they're just doing a crew change. But I'll be back with you guys as soon as this train gets rolling. Alrighty, guys. We got an Amtrak. It's gonna meet up with this freight that's still stalled. Well, not stalled. That's still sitting there. The leader, by the way, is an ace. It's in the new paint scheme. There's the Amtrak right there. 4623, SC44. Alright, and I just checked BNSF and there's nothing on the way. So I'll be back with y'all when this train is on the move. Alright guys, we're down at Knox now. We're gonna chill at Knox. We're gonna chill at Knox for this train. And as you can see right there, there's a yellow signal. There's a train. It is a new paint scheme ace. But yeah, I'll be back with you guys when something happens. Alrighty. So I'm able to tell you guys lead engine numbers. You have in the lead 8582 SD70 ACE. And trailing we have 6471 and AC44 CW. Both are in the new UP paint scheme. Alright guys, you can't see it right now, but we got track 1 westbound. There's also going to be passing this train that is still there. I saw it right as I was leaving. Here it is right there. Another ace leader. Oh, are you kidding me? 9104, 7004. And we got a train. Are you kidding me? This is a westbound, this is westbound intermodal on track 1, everyone. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Alright, I'm gonna stop right here. 6180, ES44 AC, and 5853, and ES44 AC. I think that's a triple train meet right there. Wow. I saw this train from the Kings Highway side road. And there's the end of it right there. Alrighty, I'm gonna go. I apologize for any shakiness. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling and we're gonna ride down Sublette Avenue. We're gonna try to catch this. So right now we're pacing that freight train. Sorry about that, this road is very bumpy. And there's the end of the train right there. Okay. The video might have cut off while I was talking. And there's the train right there. There it goes. Alrighty, gotta go home for dinner. See you guys tomorrow.